Zapanta blocked this time by Banatikla. Maizo plays setter. Caballero from the middle gets the help.
Judy Caballero with his middle hit.
22-19 USD. A 3-point lead. One of the really toughest serves to take an itong kay Gonzalez. Gonzalez playing setter. The set was too close from Gonzalez, and Caballero couldn't do anything but really try and stick to the net as closely as possible, but she could not control her momentum.
Mami Dulce with her own service specialist on the other side, that's Hiponia.
Short reception by Bernal results in a free ball for Adamson. Gonzalez, the back set. Aiza Maizo too wide.
Trying to go down the line.
UST can't seem to close it out.
The errors once again.
This time UST naman nagtatapon ng puntos. And Adamson, after trailing by 3, they're now within 1 point. 21 serving 22. Hiponia, second serve, coming off the bench. Excellent serve. Maizo on the other side, tipping it over. Great defense behind the blockers. Zapanta soaring in. Zapanta blocked. Point UST.
Aiza Maizo once again. On closing that one for Zapanta.
Sir Judy Caballero.
23-21. UST a more comfortable 2-point advantage. Caballero serving. Soriano. Over on the first ball by Adamson. Maizo. Pineda. Easy pickup by UST. Here's Banatikla soaring in. It's still alive. What a play by Adamson.
The floor defense of Adamson coming to work in that last play. With a free ball given out to UST.
Gonzalez. Banatikla. Makatuno. Zapanta. Yes. Point Adamson there.
This is how they have to do it. Zapanta using Aiza Maizo to take that point. Alam mo, pag nandiyan na si Aiza sa harap mo, hirap eh. So you just have to either swipe it or angle your hit.
Another service specialist, it seems, is checking in for Mami Dulce. Marami siyang service specialist. Hiponia earlier.
Sa inyo, isa lang
Listana. This time, Adamson again within 1. Gonzalez over-received that time, but one way or another, Gonzalez winning the joust. Banatikla tipping it over, blocked. Banatikla. Two players collide as Makatuno and Soriano wanted to get the second ball, resulting in an error by Adamson, and now UST at set point.
But you know what you did not see is that both coaches were actually on their feet.
They were complaining about something,
complaining. Yung isa complaining about overreaching si Mami Dulce Pante. On the other side is Coach Shaq. Sabi niya 2 touches na. So but the play went on, and that point goes to UST. Ito, meron pa isang service specialist si Karangan. Kat Karangan for UST.
Bernal. Makatuno, Soriano in the middle, blocked by Ortiz. It's still alive. Pineda tipping it over. Maizo playing setter. Bernal.
Another long rally.
Good exchange between two formidable teams in the UAAP. Oh, what a solid block against one of the best spikers in the league. Excellent job by Soriano at the net.
And here, we'll see it once again. Look at this angled hit by Maizo. Ang ganda na nung angulo, and yet Soriano was just in the perfect place for that block.
It's still not over yet for Adamson. They're still fighting. They're down by 1. But UST on the attack. No, it's a free ball for Adamson. Soriano blocked. Great defense by Vasquez. Benting blocked again. And that is it. As UST relied on their blocking to close out Adamson in set number 1. A long, hard hot
Tigresses.
set between these two teams. What a great exchange. Offense, defense, blocking, floor defense on the other side. Can't get any better than this Final Four matchup. USD up 1-0, 25-23 in set number 1 against Adamson.